In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create MetaMask account. MetaMask is a popular crypto wallet and gateway to Web3, and setting it up only takes a few minutes. We'll start in your browser and walk through the installation and initial choices with a few safety tips along the way. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type MetaMask extension. Look for the result that points to the official MetaMask site or the Chrome Web Store. Make sure the address shows metamask.io or the verified store listing so you avoid imposter sites. Click the official result to open the download page. On that page, choose the option to add the extension to your browser. If you're on Chrome, you'll see Add to Chrome. Click it, and your browser will ask for confirmation. Click Add Extension to install. The download will run for a moment, and then you should see the MetaMask Fox icon appear, confirming the install. Next, open your browser's extensions menu at the top right. On Chrome, that's the little puzzle icon. Click it to view your installed extensions, then select MetaMask to launch it for the first time. This opens a new tab or a pop-up with the welcome screen. On the welcome screen, choose Create New Wallet. This is the path for setting up a brand new wallet in your browser. MetaMask will guide you from here with clear on-screen prompts. You'll now see sign-in and recovery options. You can continue with a Google or Apple account, which creates a wallet linked to that login, or you can use a secret recovery setup. If you go the recovery phrase route, MetaMask will generate a unique set of words and show you how to back it up. Whichever option you choose, take a moment to read each prompt carefully. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone and store it securely offline. No support team will ever ask for it, and anyone who has it can control your funds. Once you complete the on-screen steps, your MetaMask wallet is ready to use. You can open the extensions menu anytime to access it, and if your browser supports it, pin the icon so it's always one click away. That's the setup from download to creation. In upcoming videos, we'll cover adding networks and moving your first tokens, but for now, you've successfully created your MetaMask account and are ready to explore Web3 safely.